Well guys, took the Mondeo for an MOT and it failed. So it failed on anti-roll bar linkage, joint excessively worn, track rod end and headlamp. I got it back today, just been into town, got the bits, done the track rod end, done the stabilising bar, the anti-roll bar linkage, so I've just done them. They were £20 each. I needed them here and now. It was a bit expensive, I thought. These are the old ones that come off. This was picked up on the last MOT by the looks of it. It's got the yellow paint on it. So, and here's the stabilising bar. It's seen better days. For definite. So, I haven't done the headlamp yet. I'm going to obviously put the wheel back on and see what's going on there. The fail notice says headlamp aim projected beam image is obviously incorrect, offside. So what I'm guessing there is, I'm guessing the bulb's been fitted incorrectly, I reckon. So yeah, I'm going to do a tally up shortly as to what the car owes me. So it's got to go back this afternoon, get the MOT put on it. Yeah. Well guys, I've got the headlamp out and it looks to me like the bulb is fitted incorrectly. So guys, as you can see, the bulb was fitted upside down. That little piece there needed to be at the top. Someone had fitted it with it at the bottom. Awesome. Well guys, got the car back and she's got 12 months MOT. Fitted the front trim as well to the front bumper. Looks a lot better. That came with the car. I've done a little tally up, just out of curiosity, just out of interest, see what it's cost me. So, purchase price was £400. I wasn't looking for this car, didn't really want this car, it was just there when I needed a car. So £400, that was fair enough. I had 3 months MOT. The gates, belt, pulleys and tensioner kit was £83. It needed 2 weld patches. I just used some scrap metal, you know, lying around, welded up. Track rod end was £20. Anti-roll bar linkage was £20. 4 part worn tyres, I got them off Facebook Marketplace. They were £60. I just needed to fit 2 to the front. The bulb was upside down, that tickled me. Obviously nothing to repair to sort that out. Driver's door lock and actuator was £90. The return fuel pipe was £20. I broke the fuel line doing the tensioner. The wiper blades, 3 of them for £13. I only needed to fit the driver's one. The windscreen repair kit was £4. That actually worked better than I anticipated. Injector cleaner and fuel line cleaner was £8. Oil filter was £6. A genuine air filter from Ford was £10. Oil change, I buy the big drums of oil, so maybe cost me £15. Tow bar, I've not yet fitted, was £56. MOT was £40, and I've wax oiled it all up. So the cavity wax and the sealant was probably about £20, I think. And the total spend is £865. It's got MOT until the 12th of July, and there was no advisories. I do still need a lock set. That'll make this experience, the driving experience, that little bit better, because you do have to wiggle it. But other than that, I'm really happy, guys. Yeah, it shows what money you can save if you do it yourself, but it is what it is. It's an old car. Thanks for watching, guys.